Welcome to my preview on the new Engwe L20 Boost. First things first, this isn't a review. If I'm honest, I wasn't even expecting to make this video, so I'm kind of winging it a bit. So why am I making the video? The main reason for this video is because right now in the pre-sale, the L20 Boost is heavily discounted. There are also more discounts you can get, which I'll tell you about at the end of the video. Another reason for the video is to run you through whether I think the upgrades are worth paying the money for or not. So, what's the difference between the L20 and the L20 Boost? Well, to start with the price. The L20 Boost is £1,299, the L20 is £999, but right now the L20 Boost is £1,099, so you're getting 200 quid off it. The next difference is the L20 Boost has a torque sensor, the L20 has a speed sensor. Now, I'm not really sure what the torque sensor does, apart from I think the harder you pedal, the more power the motor gives you. I actually think it's probably the thing they put on the Engine Pro 2 as well. They changed the sensor on that, so I think it's the same one. The other thing is the boost. Now, from what I'm understanding, the bike has 50 Newton meters of torque, but when you hold or press this boost button, it jumps up to 75 Newton meters, so you get a lot more like oomph from this button. The old L20, they basically said it could do a 10-degree hill climb. On this one, they're saying with the boost it can do 17.8 degrees. So, should you buy the L20 Boost? Personally, I think yes. I've ordered my L20 Boost today, and it says 3 to 10 working days, so when I get it I'll be doing a review on it. Just to clarify as well, I've bought it with my own money again. Now, should you buy it at the full price of £1,300? I don't actually know, to be honest. I probably wouldn't. The reason I probably wouldn't buy it is because you can get an L20 plus a 16 amp hour second battery for £1,329. Now, that's going to give you double the range because you've got two batteries, right? So are the actual upgrades on this boost worth swapping for the extra range? And I don't know. Now, bear in mind I haven't actually used the bike or got one yet, so when I get it and do the review I'll answer these questions again when I've actually had a chance to use it. But right now I'm just going off me as a customer and what I'd buy if the L20 Boost was actually the full price of 1,300 quid. I think I'd probably buy the L20 normal one and have the second battery. So, what other discounts can you get on this L20 Boost? Well, if you go onto the Engwe website, underneath where you click the box of what colour you want, oh there's only one colour option for some reason, it says sign up to get an extra £50 off code. Now basically if you click the sign up bit, it'll just basically ask you for your email, you type in your email and Engwe will send you codes. Now they sent me 3 codes, well 4 codes actually. The one that I used gave me £100 off, so like double what it said. Plus I was also able to use the new customer one and I ended up getting the L20 Boost for £977 2p. So right now I think it's well worth buying one if you're looking at like purchasing one. As I said, mine's ordered. It said 3 to 10 days, so when it gets here I'll be doing an unboxing video and a full review. So if you want to watch that, subscribe and obviously you'll see it quicker. Right, so again, thanks for listening, and if you like the content I'm making, like, share, subscribe, etc. and I'll see you on the next one.